Hey guys, I thought I'd make a quick tutorial video on how to push tile sets to your building or grade level. This is an admin privilege, so if you don't see the button, you'll need to send me an email in order to get access to it. You'll notice in the bottom left you'll see your admin gear when you click on that, and then you see the option for tile layouts. This is where you're going to edit the tile layouts that are pushed out. If you want to edit the tile layouts that are just your tile layouts, then you come down to this edit layout button on your dashboard. So there's two different places where you edit tile layouts and two different sets that you're editing. One set, the one on your home screen, is your own tile set. When you change that, it only changes yours. The other set on your admin gear is the tile set that you push out, and this tile set is, if you push it out to everyone in your building, then this is how you edit that tile set. So you can click on create a new tile layout, name it whatever you want to name it. I usually try to use the year and then something specific to remind me what it is. So if this has to do with IRIPs, I'm just going to put IRIP on there and save the tile layout. The next step is to add your tiles. When you click add a new tile, you can name the layout or name the tile. I don't know why it says layout there, but if you name the tile, this is the words that show up on the button. So if I say IRIP links, see it's showing up on my tile, and then you can choose an icon. Say I want this ambulance, and then you just put your URL. So that a URL is the address in your address bar. So you can link it outside of Illuminate if you want. You can link it to a Google Doc. You can link it to a separate website. You could link it to a website within Illuminate. So if there's a certain report you want to link it to, you would copy the URL and put it in here. Then you can change the color. And the last option down here is to open in a new window. And I like to click on this because if you're sending them outside of Illuminate, then they'll have one window that's in Illuminate and one window that's wherever you send them. So you save your tile layout, or your tile. You can add as many tiles as you want. My suggestion is to add as few as possible because the end user won't be able to move or delete these tiles. So you can very quickly fill their screen with tiles that you're assigning to them. So less is definitely better in this situation. Once you have all the tiles that you want to share out to your building, your grade level, whatever it is that you're going to share them to, you can click the green Share Layout button. This is where you assign the layout to people. So you can assign it to a site, a role, a grade level, a department, but the ones that we use most often are site and grade level. So if you choose site and grade level, you pick the site. So maybe I pick Mason County Central Upper Elementary, and then grade level. Let's say since this is going to be IRIP, I know only kindergarten 1, 2, and 3 need access to this. And then you can customize so they can change the color and everything, or if you put it on can view, they can't change anything. It's just on there. They can't move it when they edit their own layouts. So then you would click share, and now when I look at the top here are the different groups that I've assigned this tile to. So anybody who's registered as a Mason County Central Upper Elementary kindergarten teacher is going to get this, first grade teacher, second grade, and third grade. And you can change that. You can remove them from the group if you want here. So if I decided, you know what, they don't need access, I can remove them and click Save Changes, and now it's not shared to anybody. Later, if you want to edit the list, the tiles, you go back into the tile set that you've created, and you can edit it from here. So potentially you could assign one tile layout to each grade level, and every year go in and update the tiles to the assessments that need to be used or the reports that need to be used. And as long as you update it, it'll be updated for everyone in your group and everyone in the building. Alright, I think that's everything about tile layouts. If you have questions, remember you can always email me at Riffle, Riffle, at k12eta.org.